Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Fiat 500 badge. First, let's gather everything you'll need for this simple project. You'll want a heat gun, some strong fishing line or dental floss, and a set of plastic pry tools to protect your car's finish. Don't forget your new badge, along with automotive adhesive remover and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Finally, have a few clean microfiber cloths ready. Now, let's get that old badge off. Begin by gently warming the badge with a heat gun for about 30 seconds. This helps soften the adhesive. Next, take a piece of fishing line or strong dental floss and carefully slide it behind the badge. Use a gentle sawing motion to cut through the double-sided tape. Once the adhesive is mostly cut, use your plastic pry tools to carefully lift the badge away from the vehicle, being mindful of any alignment pegs. With the old badge removed, preparing the surface is crucial for a lasting bond. First, apply an automotive adhesive remover to eliminate any sticky residue left behind. Wipe the area clean with a microfiber cloth. Then, use isopropyl alcohol to thoroughly clean the surface, removing any oils, waxes, or contaminants. This step is vital. Ensure the area is perfectly dry and smooth before moving on to the new badge. Finally, it's time to install your shiny new badge. Carefully peel off the protective backing from the badge's adhesive. Take your time to precisely align the new badge in its correct spot on your Fiat 500. Once aligned, press down firmly and evenly across the entire badge for at least 30 seconds. For the strongest bond, avoid washing your car or exposing the badge to excessive moisture for 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.